In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a TikTok QR code. Okay, so once you've launched up TikTok, you'll be on the main page, the home screen, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the me icon at the bottom right. That is going to take you to your profile, and then you want to tap on the three vertical dots at the top of the screen at the top right. And now you'll be on the settings page, and under account, you can see the second option from the bottom is tick code. If you go ahead and tap on that, that is going to generate a TikTok QR code for you. And you have various options as to what you can do with this TikTok QR code. You can save the QR code to your device, you can print it out and all that good stuff, or you can scan someone else's tick code. So that is how you create a TikTok QR code. If you got some value out of this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.